Hey, went ahead and picked up a new motorcycle to see if we can sell it and make a profit. So I contacted this guy last night. I saw a listing on Facebook Marketplace, and he listed it for $2,700 for a 2007 Honda CBR600RR, and it's in kind of rough condition. I'm gonna clean it all up, put new fairings on it, and then we're gonna see if we can make a profit. But it has a pretty good exhaust on it. Wheel vents, exhaust. Everything else seems okay. I test drove it and it rode pretty good. The guy asked me if I knew how to ride, and I was like, yeah, sure, I ride all the time. And then I get on the bike and I'm about to take it for a test ride, and then I stall out because the clutch was not set correctly. It was pretty embarrassing, but oh well, not that big of a deal. But then I went ahead and took it for a ride around, and it ended up working pretty good. So we paid for it, filled out all the title, everything was done legit, and we loaded it up. But then we decided we're gonna head out to the beach real quick. But all right, I'll update everyone on what we do with the motorcycle and when we sell it too. All right, bye.